Create a captivating and inviting patio seating area in your garden is a wonderful way to enhance your outdoor living space. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon. In this extensive guide, we'll explore a variety of creative ideas to inspire your patio design, ensuring it becomes a perfect oasis of relaxation, entertainment, and enjoyment of your natural surroundings. Begin by selecting comfortable and weather-resistant seating options from cozy lounge chair and hammocks. Style outdoor sofas prioritize comfort with a compromising and aesthetics. Consider no crafting cushions and throw pillows add a touch of coziness. Define your patio space with a outdoor rug that complements your design theme. Additionally, explore different flooring options such as tiles, natural stone, or even a well-maintained lawn or create visually appealing and comfortable foundation. Integrate a pergola or shade sail to provide relief from of sun and add a touch of horticulture and frustrate to your garden patio. These structures not only offer protection but also serve an excellent opportunity to showcase climbing plants, create a natural canopy. Maximize greenery by crafting a vertical garden or green wall. So, if you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon and see this video. Garden patio design ideas, more garden decoration ideas. Visit my channel and like the video and click the subscribe. Yeah, you interested? Choose a variety of plants to create lush and vibrant backdrop. Enhance the evening atmosphere with a carefully placed ambient lighting. String lights, lanterns, or solar powered garden lights can create a warm and inviting ambience. Combine various lighting sources for a magical glow that transforms your patio into cozy retreat after sunset. Fire pit or outdoor fireplace extend the usability of your patio into tolerable evenings by crafting a fire pit or outdoor fireplace. So kindly, if you are new here, kindly like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon if you are new here. So if you like these projects, like these ideas, this video share to your friends and family members. This not only provides warmth but also becomes a focal point for our social gatherings. Arrange seating around a fire feature to create a cozy and intimate atmosphere. Create a dedicated dining space on your patio with a stylish outdoor dining set. Whether it's rustic picnic table or modern bistro set, or a large dining table with a comfortable chairs. This area will encourage help for safe dining and entertainment. Introduce the soothing sound of water with a small fountain or decorative water features. The gentle trickling sounds and climbing element to your garden patio, enhancing the overall sensory experience. Creped or harm mocha swing chair for a touch of relaxation and play fun. These additions not only provide a unique seating option but also add a scene of warmth and charm your outdoor space. In conclusion, designing a garden patio seating area involves a thoughtful combination of comfort, aesthetics, and functionality. Experiment with these ideas, adapt them your personal style, and transform your outdoor space into a haven and relaxation and enjoyment. Your garden patio can become the perfect retreat, seamlessly blending and beauty of nature with your unique design visual. So that's called today's video. You can see garden patio ideas. So if you like these ideas, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and also like this video, share to your friends. So tomorrow will be continuing.